Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you happen to be new here, karibu sana to Nancy's YouTube channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, make sure you subscribe, you follow, you share, and you comment about you comment on what you think about this video. Welcome to another amazing video, life in the village again, and it is so sunny. We are hoping for the rains soon, cause where those rains zimekawia sana. It has been so sunny. Welcome to my channel, guys. My good name is Nancy, and this is my channel again. For the returning subscribers, thank you for the support and the love. We are here with my son. Wacha tabia spoiling na chakula ya kuku. Fanya hivi. Good boy. Twende sasa. Twende. So far, guys, so good. Yeah, as we wait for the chicks, we are still going on with our housing here. This is the progress. We are still going on. We are yet to cover all those holes and then put a wire mesh. This wire mesh, it's going to be placed there. This other side, it has already. Let's go, guys. So for the 2 weeks we have been doing gypsums, and we are almost finishing it this week, so that we can do painting. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to show you right now. They're scrubbing it. Songa hapa. Twende. Yeah, so Georgie is going, anatokea pale. Yeah, anaenda kwa barabara, and we have cars passing there, so I don't want him to go. Twende hivi. Yeah, I don't know what amejipaka. Yeah, so dirty, and it's in the morning. My chickens are there. The other ones, I don't know where they are eating from. And the farm, guys, it is so dry. We're waiting for the rain so that you can do maize, because right now we can't do nothing. The sun is so hot. Kuna maji, there's water, but at least we want to change the weather, because right now don't want to depend on water that much, because sometimes the water goes off. Yeah, and you remain with the options of just staying like that. Since we have no water, we have neighbors' sheep feeding from here. We have my green peppers that dried a long time ago. They turned to red peppers. Hope you can see them there. We are coming back like we never left. Twende meshege itakukula. Twende mbio. Kimbia. So guys, this is live in the village, Nakuru, Kiamonyeki. Now let's go to the house and see what they're doing. The only surviving maize in this farm, it's here. It's here. Yeah, it's almost drying. We have maize. Let us see if it has anything from the inside. That's it. It's not that big, but it was the only one surviving. Now we have to dry it so that I can put with the other ones that are drying for maize flour. Twende baba. Bye. Twende. This is where we get our water, guys. Twende. Do daddy. Enda kwa daddy. That's Ken. He had gone for the channels. Kuja upite huku. Gypsum channels. They were not enough. That's the gate you're using for now. Niko nimemfungia hapo juu ya kwenda kwa barabara. Utakatwa na mabati. Kama yaje.
Yaje.
Niko nimemfungia juu ya kupika. Twende. Twende. Kwa pikipiki hapana. Twende. Guys, those are channels. Gypsum channels. Twende baba. So this is where we are, guys. They have already scrubbed it. They were trying to do skimming there and there. So this skimming will need 2 coats because 1 coat is remaining with these dots. So we need 2 coats. And this is where they'll put a curtain roll so that it cannot be visible. We want the curtains to come from up there. They can fall. This is how far we've gone. They were scrubbing so that they can apply the white color. Yeah, and the lights will come from here. And this is the corridor. The bathrooms. This is the other room. So yes, you can see there. They were trying also to do skimming here. They need 2 coats so that all this cannot be seen. I want it to be flat like here with no holes. Again, He's not working on this room. Nasugua this part. The master bedroom. Can see her perfection. Looks so nice. That's the master bathroom there. This is so far. This is the kitchen. It is yet to be finished. They need to do a design here. They were waiting for those channels. These channels here. These ones are the ones that they were waiting for. And the screws so that you can do with the living room. The living room is so big. And from here it's the kitchen. They have separated it. That's now the kitchen. Yeah, then they're also going to do some style there, some styling, and that's it. This is so far. So actually right now they're just kusuguas, doing skimming so that it can be smooth and they can do the white coats under it. But meanwhile we want to be cleaning so that they can't do wasifanye the painting and it remains like that. We need to clean all these parts and wash it. So that's for another video, of course, but for today all we are doing is gypsum. Yep, these are channels. Also, let me show you the paints that we bought. These ones are the skim coats that are going to be applied on the walls. There are 14 bags. Then you have the white, the silky white, the crown one, silky vinyl. Then we have white paints. Those two, they are going to apply on the gypsums, but these other ones are for walls, the undercoat. Yeah, it looks so nice. At least it's now looking like a house. It's coming into a design. These are the remaining boards, but they are going to be used. They're not yet finished. Even there, they haven't finished. So yeah, you can see the living upstairs. We're going to put curtain rails. But they haven't done yet. This is the master bathroom. It needs cleaning also. It's dirty. Dirty. Tungefagia kwanza huku.
Tunafagia tu kwanza
ndio tupake rangi juu ya vumbi. The floors are really dirty. They need to be cleaned first to avoid. This one is already skimmed. Lishasuguliwa. It's remaining to apply the white coats. Whoa, you can! Inaweza koteka? Sasa ni kazi gani JJ? Anapanguzia nguo.
Ndio tupanguze.
Iwezi okoteka hii. Iwezi okoteka. Sasa JJ ni kazi gani? Atuchukue mchanga. Hizi ifanyika kazi? Niache tu kuokota?
Okota.
Nikuone hapa. Chapa. Si ni kazi gani baba? Kwa nini umefanya hivi? Kwa nini umefanya hivi? Itakauka venye shaguza chini. Jote amekujia kijiko. Oa. We're trying to collect it. So the remaining ones so that you can pour sand isishike chini. Wacha nikuone hapo. Nikuone hapo. Kuonga ushangae. Umemwaga.
Ndio.
Utafanya hii ama itakauka?
Kwa nini umemwaga rangi? Alikuwa amefungua kwani?
Ameangusha ikafunguka.
Dogo, unamwaga rangi.
Itatosha kweli ya?
Ilikuwa ya wapi?
Kati.
Kati.
Hebu toka nje twende. Twende huko nje. Toka hapo. Hivyo ingine tumwagi mchanga. Itafanya kweli itakauka? Bolete mchanga. Kuja wewe, pita hii hata. Twende. Twende nje. Twende. Twende huko nje haraka sana. Itatoka. Twende. Ken. Ulikujia mchanga. Mbona venye unakaa? Mbona? Now I have to bathe with kerosene. Jana mafuta. Nitakuchuna tena. Utaniambia ulikuwa unafanya nini na rangi. Itashika mkono wote. Ama tu tumwage hapo tupanguze. Mimi.
Fanya hivi, hivyo. Fanya hivyo.
Jipanguza na nguo. Sasa maji tutatoa wapi?
Labda muende pale kwa bafu. Sugua huyu vizuri.
Mimi. Twende. Mimi. Hey guys. Let's go back in the afternoons. Utachomeka. Have my boys here. Vicky and JJ. Quedó que ando hizo.
Macha vipi yako? Nini?
Wanapika nini? Gani? Kula wewe.
Utakula kweli? Acha jiji. Nenda hivi. Ona?
Kimwondesha gari ujue utapambana na yeye.
Kipe niendeshe gari.
Utachafua. Hiyo si gari, hiyo ni brush ya rangi.
Hizi zinakuwa zile. Kuna kile kirisiti kenye kimeandikwa pesa.
Zibana unataka?
Ama inataka mtu mwenye ameregistriwa na nini?
Tunataka kukuregister nini? Usifanye hivyo shiki ndani.
Kwa hiyo hizi vitu za rangi
unaweza kutupa au kulijiji nini ndani. Sio lazima tukodi kufanya kwa rangi.
Hebu nione.
Usike uchafu.
wanapatikana pesa ngapi?
Inakuwa tu points. Unaweza kufikisha points mengi, unaweza toa more kwa pesa ama credit.
Ikwangi ati ni pesa iko ndani.
Unaanza na koti ya kwanza.
Tutachukua hiyo tumkebe kidogo. Viki, songa mujipake rangi. Wapi JJ? Tafuta JJ wako wapi? Upewe nani ya kupaka rangi? Hiyo si mbuu.
Funga mabati zikukata.
Nataka uingie nifunge juu atakusumbua.
Kaeni hapo nje.
Nini? I've diluted the paint with water.
Kaeni hapo nje.
Ni Viki anawafungulia, enda nao nje Ken, mtasumbuana tu hapo.
Toa mkono.
So guys, we are painting the white paint, but it's the first coat because first we want to clean here and it is so dusty.
Tafuta kijiti unarudisha hapa ndani. Tafuta kijiti unarudisha hapa ndani. Waweke na jikoni.
So this is a roller. We're using a roller.
Useke mingi. So guys, we are practicing on how to apply it. Yeah, we're going to look for a stick so that the pipe cannot bend. It is really disturbing him, so that the pipe can be straight. You can see how the paint is. And Kyan is trying also to apply. Goja. Sindio siku mingi. Shida role inapaka rangi chini. Weka chini. Wacha kuwa. This is where we are. The first coat. You can see the difference between that row and this row. Uncle.
Yeah.
Nje. Mambo. Guys, they're now applying the rangi. So they're now applying the paints, the first coat. They're not going to do the second coat until we sweep and wash the place because of the dust. See you guys. It's in the evening now. We are doing the finishing touches. We want to see how far they've gone, but right now it's currently almost 5 p.m. and that's the time they close their jobs. That's the time they leave. Let us see. The sun still up high. That's how it is doing. That's the next baby. This one is already done. This one is not yet done.
Iko sawa? Niingia. Ukuja kwako bado? Ndio ni mwaka. Yes, kama iko sawa. Sawa, iko sawa? Niko huko.
Fine.
Guys, they're finishing with the living room. The other one is doing painting on the bedroom. So that's it. My camera is shutting down. It is shutting off. So see you on the next one, guys. Make sure you subscribe, you share,